Welcome to my channel. Today, let's test your basic IT knowledge with 10 simple but fun questions. Let's begin. Pick your answer and I will explain the right one after each question. Ready? Let's go. What does CPU stand for? A. Central Process Unit. B. Central Processing Unit. C. Computer Personal Unit. The correct answer is B. Central Processing Unit. It is the brain of your computer. Which one is not used for permanent storage? A. SSD. B. RAM. C. Hard disk. The correct answer is B. RAM is the temporary memory used while programming run. What does WWW stand for? A. World Wide Web. B. Wide Web World. C. Web Worldwide. The correct answer is A. World Wide Web. What port number is used for HTTPS? A. 80. B. 21. C. 443. The correct answer is C. 4433. Is used for secure website. Which part is responsible for graphics? A. CPU. B. GPU. C. RAM. The correct answer is B. GPU. Stand for Graphic Processing Unit. What does Wi-Fi stand for? A. Wireless Fidelity. B. Wi-Fi. C. Web Finder. The correct answer is A. Wireless Fidelity. Which one is an operating system? A. Python. B. Windows. C. Excel. The correct answer is B. Windows is an operating system. Which company make the iPhone? A. Google. B. Apple. C. Samsung. The correct answer is B. Apple. What is used to protect your computer from virus? A. Firewall. B. Antivirus. C. Router. The correct answer is B. Antivirus. Take and remove. Which is a cloud provider? A. Adobe. B. AWS. C. Microsoft. The correct answer is B. AWS. Amazon Web Service. After you complete quiz, how many did you get right? If you get 10, you are a tech pro. If you got between 6 to 9, it seems not bad. If you get 1 to 5, please keep learning.